Festive Mystery Crochet-Along Part 7. As you can see, we are done with both hind legs over here, and now we'll be moving on to the left front leg. Okay, insert the hook into the stitch closest to the white part of the front chest, and then grab a new set of brown yarn and slip knot once first to secure the new yarn in place. For round 1, surface crochet 10 stitches in a clockwise direction to get a total of 10 stitches. Here we place a stitch marker at the start of the round. Start with single crochet 7 stitches over the outer part of the leg along the original stitches. Then single crochet 3 stitches on the inner side of the leg. This can be a bit challenging because the stitches are less obvious, but you can work along the brown part or the white part to close up, but you need to have a total of single crochet 3 stitches. So you see I've done 1, and then I've done the second one, and then we do one more, I would say, in the white part to close up. And then now we can work into round 2. So for round 2, we single crochet 2 stitches first and then an increase. So let's do the 2 single crochet stitches first, and then we work the increase once, and then this is the increase, and then after that we single crochet 4 stitches before the next increase, and then we end off round 2 with single crochet 2 stitches. For round 3, single crochet all around the round for a total of 12 stitches. Add stuffing to the leg. Start round 4 with a single crochet of 3 stitches, like so, the second one and then the third, and then after increase in the next 2 stitches. So you do the increase over here, 1 and then 2, and then repeat the next increase again. Finish round 4 with single crochet 4 stitches, and then end off with single crochet 3 cluster stitch together. So we end off with a single crochet cluster stitch here, 2 and then 3 together, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. For round 5, single crochet all around the round for a total of 12 stitches. Switch to white yarn for round 6, and then remember to cut off the brown yarn as we do not need it anymore. Start off round 6 with single crochet 5 stitches, and then 3 single crochet stitches in the next 2 for the next 2 sets. Okay, here we are working the 3 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 and then 3, and then we work a second set in round 6. Remember to turn the whole piece, the whole body, as you are working into each leg. Finish round 6 with single crochet 2, and then after that single crochet 3 together, the cluster stitch in white. So 1, 2, and then 3 single crochet cluster stitch. For round 7, single crochet 11 stitches, and then end off round 7 with single crochet 3 together, cluster stitch. So this last part is the single crochet 3 together, cluster stitch. As you can see, 1, 2, we'll be working 1, 2, and 3, yes, for the single crochet cluster stitch. Switch to dark brown yarn for round 8. We'll be working to the hooves. For round 8 in dark brown, start off with a single crochet 3 together cluster stitch, as you can see here. And then you should have a total of, it might be a bit tight because the round is getting smaller. Then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And then after that, end of round 8 with a single crochet 9 stitches. Cut off white yarn as we do not need it anymore. The next 2 rounds will be worked with dark brown. Finish up single crochet 9 for the rest of round 8. Add stuffing to the leg. Start round 9 with a single crochet decrease, standard decrease once. Continue round 9 with double crochet 6 together cluster stitch. So you can see we did the first set, and then we will move on to the second set, and then after that the third. It can be a bit challenging because you need to turn the whole piece in order to turn the leg. This is what happens when you surface crochet onto the main body. And then there is let's see, should be 5 and then 6, and then finish, and then after you should have 7 loops on the hook before you yarn over and pull through all. Okay, I think miscounted. Should be 1 more. You should have a total of 7 loops on the hook. Finish round 9 with a single crochet decrease of one stitch. Leave the trailing yarn and cut off any excess. Thread the trailing yarn through a darning needle. Close out in front loops only and then end off. Like I mentioned before, you can also close out in both loops if you find it difficult to find the front loop. Cut off excess yarn, and then remember to conceal the excess yarn back inside. And you can see the left front leg is done. Remember to check out part 8 next.